Well, it's windy today, but somebody promised these two guys they could go camping, so here we are.
Yeah!
Look, I almost forgot something pretty important. You ready?
Yeah! Friday! Pizza Friday!
So we watch a movie and eat pizza on Friday, but we're camping, so I don't know how to make a campfire pizza, but we're gonna find out. I won't burn it.
If we're gonna go fishing,
I'll try not
we're gonna
to.
eat pizza or fish.
Mommy, Evelyn, and the baby are gonna join us. We'll all be out there together for a little bit, and then I think they're going home afterwards. So the problem is, from that way where there's not much of a break. Man, look at all the activity. We're gonna go back the other way.
There?
Baby.
Bullseye!
Nice.
So good. Made it. Whoa! Here comes one. It's just like.
Well, they're preoccupied. I've got to put up a tarp, and I've never done it before. Off of this tree, secure it to one of the rocks over here. Oh, and then we'll close it off towards the back. Take mommy and sister and the baby back, and then we'll be right back.
You do. Ready? Careful. I go on the side like you do, not to burn it. Yeah. I'm sorry. Hey, Daddy. I'm trying to get the stick in the. Okay. All that sounds really wrong. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Big. Oh, yeah. Once I got in the water, I'm going to want to warm up.
Got our feet wet, so we're gonna dry out some boots while we cook, and our pants. Thank goodness for a spare. So we're gonna attempt to make our own pizza. So we've got mozzarella, pizza dough, and pepperonis. This should be fun.
My wall. We're in there. I'm sure they were in there.
This may be like 2 pizzas.
Ooh.
Wow. Yeah.
As a good start, I can have some of that.
Oh, you know what we forgot?
What?
Pizza sauce. Oops.
It's okay. I would do it when it's cookie, not when the pepperoni stay. You're gonna make a pizza.
Make a pizza. Hang on.
That's my pizza because ow.
Want some bread?
Oh yeah, cook some. Yes.
I'll toss it right there. I'm gonna get crazy and I'm gonna put some mozzarella in mine. Ooh. Looky there. Gotta dust a little charcoal off, but it's oozing. Woo. Alright, so pretend it's a cheese pizza. It's got my. Get some cheese. Like pepperoni pizza. Let me show you a trick. Take a bite of that. And take a bite of those. It's like a pepperoni pizza.
That's really yummy.
Here. I figured we could have some hot chocolate because I'm getting a little chilly. Are you?
Me too.
Tried and true. Always a good backup food just in case.
I'll be nice and more them.
Them or them?
Them.
Sticks, more sticks. But y'all's diagnosis looks pretty good, huh?
Uh-huh. Hey, Dave, can I see the bottom?
Ooh.
Can I see it?
A little burnt. Tell you what, we can just pick the bottom off. How's that sound?
Good. Good. I don't want nuts in that.
Okay, I think it's hot chocolate time.
Yeah, that's hot.
There's a little bit of noodle in your hot chocolate.
I don't like noodles. Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
I don't know what to name that one. Well, I can't wait to have that. Pizza! Pizza body. I'm not gonna Pizza! Pizza body. Ooh, hot chocolate. I'm just gonna show
Yeah, that's perfect.
Is mine perfect? Will you do a little sip to see if it's... What is it at?
Oh man, that's phenomenal.
Cooling down and blowing it.
Hey,
It's hot and it has chocolate.
y'all give me high fives. We made a campfire pizza.
Yeah!
I had to eat around the burnt.
That's almost the whole pizza. All we might be able to eat is pepperoni. Is that like how Yodi just heard?
It's a
When you go camping, you gotta stay up late.
what? We gotta go to bed early.
But where are we going in the morning?
We're gonna go duck hunting.
What day is it?
Today is Friday.
We'll get a burnt.
Yeah, if you just get some burnt, just toss it out. Here, you don't want pepperonis?
This is actually the best in the world.
You don't want any?
Only one?
What?
That's burning hot. Okay. I love this.
You do?
Would not be funny if Jet wasn't there. I'm missing all this.
I know. I'm glad you're here, Jess.
It's hot chocolate. Can I have some more?
Yeah.
After my pizza, maybe. Okay. That fire's big. Oh, my face is on fire.
Hey, that is pretty good.
Just try to not look at the. Wait, it's so bright. I like bright. Is that mine? I'm good. More. I just had a little bit of soup
Yeah,
in them.
yours is right here.
It tastes kind of soupy. Friday, can we have pizza? This is the best.
Yeah, this is fun.
Probably because we're camping in a new place. Dad, when you start? Yeah, I'm the eagle. This thing is good.
Yeah, how many times did you step on this?
I can't remember. Probably like 2 times.
Okay, let's make another one.
Nothing better than hot chocolate. The black stuff under the pizza.
Oh, don't eat the black stuff. That's the burnt part.
After this one, you have some more.
Where you going, bud?
Nothing better than spending the night with you.
Nothing better than
I have
spending
some
the night
more
with
hot
y'all.
chocolate. After this burnt. Fire in. Hey, Daddy. Ready? Fire! Fire. Hey, what's it poke? I'm so sleepy. Will you go rub my shampoo? Will you rub my shampoo after
will.
this? I'm turning. There's 2 people. I don't know how to take my shoes off. So tired.
I know. I'm gonna get you a shampoo and then you can go to bed.
Give me a touch.
Yes.
Oh, that's why. Daddy, we're not.
Well, we got one. Got in the water and then tried to dry them off, but yeah, it's toasted. You gonna hop in your bag? It's time to go to bed. Hey, Jet, you wanna wear this?
Yes. I want a pillow.
Here.
I want.
You not even.
Like right here, or this. Right now I'm warm.
Now it is?
Now I'm warm.
Okay, look. You scoot down in your bed.
I have to put his arms on me. And
Oh, yeah.
and you forget.
Alright, I got the boys laid down. I'm just kind of picking up a little bit. And then I'm going to sit down and relax for a little while until it's time to go to bed. Good morning. Well, it got pretty cold last night. I think like 36. The boys slept good. 2 20-degree bags. I didn't have one though. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I could just rough it sleeping in my coveralls and a couple of duck hunting jackets. And it wasn't terrible, but the bed could have done some work. Could have used some work. So that was my pillow because Jetson had to have my pillow, and then he didn't even use it. So oh well. About 4:02, we're gonna pack up, and then we're gonna go duck hunt. The bread dough was a home run. Alright, I'm out of shape, I'm out of breath, so I'm gonna put the camera down and go get the boys, and we'll see you in just a second. You'll notice that we're one short. The youngest one wasn't quite gonna make it this morning, so we let him sleep in.
Oh, we're stuck on the other side of the train. Sure hope it didn't break. I'm gonna be stuck here.
The one closest to us is stopping so the other one could go by, it looks like.
Hurry up, train.
That was a pretty good day. We got 2 ducks, we didn't get skunked, and we're almost back to the house. As always, thanks for watching.
Click subscribe.